Training camp gets pretty intense, so we're doing training camp Nerf battle. Ah! These guys won't want him. In the line! Yeah! Do it! Yeah! Big Dan, think fast. It's been a good day. We had fun at training camp. We gotta keep the players on their toes and their head in the swivel. Cut.